Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it is the 1st of February 2025, which is ridiculous. January's already gone. There is so much that's happened in the financial world and the crypto markets. It's ridiculous. But anyway, going to go over the news today. I am going to do the XRP rich list because there are so many ETFs currently in pending mode at the moment with the SEC. It's going to be freaking huge. We're going to go over Trump's World Liberty Financial, which is interesting. Do you think, just let me know in the comments, do you think that they're actually already starting a stockpile? I'm going to go over this. Let me know what you think in the comments. We have Grayscale Trusts launching a Dogecoin ETF. There you go. Stablecoin market hits $200 billion, which is next level, seriously. Texas to prioritize Bitcoin reserve, and Canada, which is interesting, is trying to get ahead of the game here with an XRP ETF as well. This is bullish news. Going to go over earn curve as well, which is incredible. And of course, the Wall Street Bull University. And I do have a position open up on Gate.io, which I don't think a lot of you are going to believe me. So I'm going to show you. So stick around for that. It's insane. Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see on my screen here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people. Because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic. Sorry, I've lost my train of thought there. But anyway, guys, smash the like button and subscribe. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right, ladies and gents, the formalities are out of the way. Just want to say this was 1 year ago. I put this particular video up and it has had 15,000 views. So thank you very much to those of you who have watched it. That is the previous XRP rich list, which is interesting because back then it was 3,551 that you'd need to be holding. Now again, that has gone up significantly in value since this last video, which is ridiculous. But we're going to go over that today. Having a look at the community tab. Yes, we have Purpose Investments, which is interesting, to launch a Canadian XRP ETF on the Canadian stock market, which is very, very interesting. So I suspect once the first XRP ETF gets approved, they're all going to start to snowball. This is my opinion. And again, it is a regulated cryptocurrency now. It is not a security. There is no longer Gary Gensler in this space. They are working with regulators in New York, of course, with RLUSD. It's insane. And the SEC is only new, literally only a couple of weeks new. So, you know, things are going to take time. But once this happens, of course, Canada's trying to get ahead of the SEC, which is interesting. This is an interesting one as well. The current Bitcoin cycle is tracking similarly to 2015 to 2018, which saw nearly 2,000% returns. That is hard to believe, but it's happened. So there you go. We are literally all about to have FU money. I'm not going to say it's going to get blacklisted or banned on YouTube, but FU money. Go look it up, all right? Now, again, this is crazy. Let's move on. The stock market, again, ending on Friday. You can see right here, it is a mixed bag right here. Amazon's up, Google, Meta, Tesla. Let's have a look here. AbbVie, Nvidia is down 3.73%. We did have Donald Trump meeting with the CEO of Nvidia, which is interesting, about all of this DeepSeek app that basically destroyed the world economy because of the infrastructure cost. It's far less than what ChatGPT used, which is crazy. Polymarket has put out some insane predictions in, you know, previously in regards to everything really, but 81% chance of an approval, of course. Now we do have Kraken to delist USDT as well, which is interesting in Europe. So A lot of exchanges are delisting USDT over there in Europe because of, regulations, of course. It's annoying, but it's just too big to fail. But yes, RLUSD is going to be basically the regulated stable coin. Now, I love this because, again, I am a stock investor, and it's one of the reasons why I love generating income on the stock market, and one of the big reasons why, of course, I'm building EarnCurve and developing this. But Global X just launched a Bitcoin covered call ETF. This is freaking huge. Global X have some of the biggest exchange-traded funds, of course, with NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Russell 2000, and all of which generate monthly income. So there you go. So go check it out. It's pretty cool in my opinion. And yes, Cynthia Lummis right here 2 days ago, one of the first orders of business will be to hold public hearings on a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Now, this is going to take time in my opinion. It's inevitable that this is going to happen. And I just suspect that a stockpile is already taking place with World Liberty Financial with Donald Trump. Anyway, moving on. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Now, again, Bitcoin currently trading at 102,221 USD. Total market cap is 3.5 trillion. It is down 0.78%. ETH is at 3,302. We have XRP at $3 US, which is still crazy to think about that. Solana's 232. Doge, 32 cents. What do you think is going to happen to Doge once it has an ETF? Big money, all right? We have XLM at 41 cents, AVAX $34, SUI $4.05, Hedera's at 30 cents, Litecoin $130 US, which is crazy. Polkadot's pumping a little bit today, $6.37. There is an exchange traded fund application currently with the SEC as well, which is nice. Scrolling down, Ondo is working on the XRP ledger, which is awesome. We have, where's Trump today? $24. VeChain. I love this project. I think it's pretty cool, but they have been very quiet lately, but that's still at 4 cents, undervalued. FET, $1.03. Let's have a look here as well. World Coin, or World, is $1.78. Scrolling down, XDC at 10 cents. So very, very nice to see that. Now, moving on. Let's get to the rich list. But before I do, I should say, I am using 3 commas with my trading bots. Now, you can join the Wall Street Bull University. You can get access to those bots. There is also videos on my channel for the 3 commas bots. But I would just like to show everybody that there is currently a Bitcoin position. I did get into this position before Trump got into, obviously, the presidency, right? Now, again, I only just worked this out, but the leverage size that I've managed to open on this position is insane. Have a look at this. I'm currently trading on 125x leverage. Don't do this because it's insanely risky and you have to be early. My estimated liquidation price is $64,000. So let's see where that goes. Someone is in my building dropping stuff all over the place. I don't know what's going on at the moment. But anyway, and yes, these are the bots positions currently working. They do work. It's incredible. Go check it out. Now, again, EarnCurve, my investing application, now cracked a milestone of 500 on the waitlist. Now we're sitting at 512, I believe. So if you have not gone to join the waitlist, go do that. EarnCurve Invest. I am building, of course, an investing application for people around the world. Of course, there is a lot of licensing and regulations that have to come into compliance with this. I'm still waiting on AusTrack for my application. That is a 90-day process. Go look it up. So I submitted that before Christmas last year in 2024, which is interesting. So crypto is going to be the first element to EarnCurve, and then moving into US equities, because the Australian Financial Services license is a major thing here. So, of course, that is all in progress as well. Stay tuned for that. Go join the wait list. Here is the preview of the app. First name, last name, email, and phone number. Go do that there. And, of course, if you wish to donate this to this, please feel free to do that. And if you can't or you don't want to, it's totally cool, guys. That's up to you. But all of those funds, as I keep mentioning in my video, are still there because of all of this. This folder is huge. There you go. This is my Bible right here for EarnCurve. So there is a lot of paperwork that is going into this, and of course the licensing required is massive. So go join up, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's see if I can get 1,000 on the wait list, because when this thing goes live, it's going to go nuts. It's friggin' awesome. And those pre-built crypto portfolios are going to make it easier for retail investors to, of course, invest. And of course, when the US equities portion comes to this, it's going to be wild. It's freaking insane. Basically, put it like this. You wouldn't want to buy real estate as an investment, only a principal place of residence, but to generate an investment and have something in the future, this is exactly why I'm building Earn Curve. So go join up, guys. I can't wait. And of course, if you wish to join the Wall Street Bull University, you can get access to, of course, all the news that I put up in here and the trading bot. So there you go. Go join up to that, guys. It is linked below. Now, bullish XRP rich list as of the 1st of February 2025. To be in the top 10%, you need to be holding 2,514 XRP, which again is down from the previous year, which is interesting. We have 5%, top 5%, 9,200. That is quite expensive given the fact that XRP is like $5. We have 4%, 11,000. XRP, 3%, 17,000. 2%, 27,000. Now we've got the 1%, 54,000. 0.5%, which is 100,000 XRP at $5 a coin, Australian dollars, $3 USD. That's a lot of money. We have 0.2% at 212,000, 0.1% at 400,000 XRP. Now, I don't even know where my calculator is, but I just want to have a look at this. If you were to hold 400,000 at $5, call it, that's $2 million worth of XRP now. Crazy to think that, guys. And yes, all of the wallets are significantly increasing, as you can see. December, there was 5.4 million. And now we're creeping up to 6 million wallets. So that's 6 million people that currently hold XRP, which is crazy. Go look it up. Unbelievable. Now moving on. World Liberty Financial, acquires 2,900 Ethereum and for 9.97 million. And total holdings reach $212 million. They currently hold Ethereum, Wrapped, Bitcoin. We have Steth right here, USDC, USDT, TRX, Link, and Aave. Are they putting together a reserve? Seriously, I don't know. Eric Trump's in control of this with Donald Trump Jr. and I'd assume Barron, his son, which is awesome. So keep an eye on that. But they are accumulating a lot of cryptocurrency, which is nice to see that. Grayscale did launch its trust for institutional access to Dogecoin. They will convert the trust into an ETF, of course. This is what happens. They did this with XRP. And I mentioned that months and months ago on my channel, so it's freaking awesome to see this. But Doge is one of the only meme coins, apart from, Doge and Shiba Inu are some of the only meme coins that I hold in the portfolio. I'm only focused on real world utility, of course. That's my main bread and butter, as everyone knows. They're the money coins, right? Utility cryptocurrencies. We do have the stablecoin market hitting $200 billion and has soared past this, making a new all-time high and fueling speculation about the potential crypto rally, which is crazy to think that. And yeah, Ripple's stablecoin RLUSD is definitely going to be taking a huge portion of that because it is regulated. So it's incredible. Now we do have Texas in the United States prioritizing a Bitcoin reserve. There's a lot of states in the US that are doing this, and the whole world is waiting for Cynthia Lummis and of course the SEC to announce a strategic Bitcoin reserve. I can't wait for that. It's going to send it absolutely parabolic. And yes, we do have Canada to launch world's first XRP ETF before the United States. Now, I'm wondering if Trump gets a whiff of this, of course, and I'm sure Brad Garlinghouse will be speaking to Trump about this, but I don't think Donald Trump wants Canada putting out an XRP ETF before the United States, right? Yeah, exactly. So there were tariffs that put on to, of course, Mexico and Canada as well last night. So keep an eye on that. Canada's Purpose Investments is racing to launch the world's first spot XRP ETF before the US gets even close to it. Purpose filed with the Canadian regulators aiming to list the ETF on Toronto Stock Exchange and hold long-term XRP assets. US firms like Grayscale, CoinShares, and Bitwise are still awaiting for the SEC approval, with predictions pointing mid this year. I think it's going to be a lot sooner because Trump is just moving at light speed. I'm not going to go into CryptoMeter.io. Let's have a quick look on X, then we'll end here, guys. Thank you to those 7,626 people. You guys rock. Now, the money to supply, the M2 money supply, is absolutely going to go parabolic. We are primed and ready for that. And, of course, the global liquidity index is ripe in that banana zone, as Raoul Powell says. So if you have a look at it, we're right on that cusp of just going boom, which is incredible. We have Swiss banking giant UBS managing $5.7 trillion in assets, has tested the UBS Key 4 gold offering on Ethereum's Layer 2 network. Utility crypto, guys. Have a listen to this in regards to NVIDIA. Let me play it.
That'll happen fairly soon. I think around the 18th of February. And we're going to put a lot of tariffs on steel. We already have tariffs on steel, and we've
Hang on, let me get back to
He's
this.
the biggest in the world in terms of chips. And I can't say what's going to happen with it. We had a meeting. It was a good meeting. But eventually we're going to put tariffs on chips. We're going to put tariffs on oil and gas. That'll happen fairly soon. I think around the 18th of February. And we're going to put a lot of tariffs on steel.
He's putting tariffs on everything because, you know, obviously, you know, the US needs to make money, which is understandable. Now, again, Gary Gensler is back at MIT teaching cryptocurrency, which is ridiculous. And I believe Tyler Winklevoss said that he would not hire any graduates from MIT because of Gary Gensler working there. I can't believe that. Fidelity is holding, zero inflows. Grayscale, yes, the Doge ETF, which is crazy. Brad Garlinghouse, suffice to say, Q4 of 2024 or quarter four was absolutely one for the XRP history books. 5 different firms filed for an XRP ETP in the United States, plus 4 this month. RLUSD launched, hitting $100 million in market cap within a month. And again, we have on-chain XRPL Ledger, decentralized exchange trading volume reached $1 billion. So ridiculous money. Now again, yes, we have the Doge Trust, RLUSD. The current Bitcoin cycle is pumping. And yes, Kraken is deleting USDT, which is annoying. And this Global X covered call ETF for Bitcoin, I'm going to be buying that for the portfolio. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. Stay bullish. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. All right, take care. Join earncurveinvest.com. Links are below. Go join up. I want to get this thing over 1,000 people. So thank you very much to those of you that have subscribed. And a big shout out to all of you that have donated to the Founders Circle as well. All of those funds will go a very long way. And I'm going to have some special privileges for those of you that have helped me out in the early days. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Take care, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Stay bullish. Have an espresso.